So in this video we're going to show how we fit the Night Custom hood vents into the TRAXXAS TRX-4 Defender body. There are actually two styles currently available, the louvered ones here and the more stock looking mesh ones here. Today I'm going to show the mesh ones going in, but it's the same process for both. So the first thing you'll do is separate both the parts with a sharp knife or a pair of pliers, and then the second thing we're going to do is, as we did before with the fuel cap, is create a template using Tamiya masking tape. Once you've made sure the masking tape adheres to the contour of the hood vent, you can go ahead and use a sharp craft knife to cut it out. Like so. Now for the fuel cap we use the outside masking, but for this we're actually going to use the inside just because of the shape on the hood. Okay. So the first thing to note is TRAXXAS, on this model anyway, put the sticker quite far back towards the front of the windshield. You can see here it's starting to lap over the edges. Now when I measured up against some other scale models I have and some reference, found that actually the right distance from here to here should be about 54 millimeters. So when you look at that with a caliper, this is going to start out here. So what we really need to do here is remove the stickers and then place the template. Quick way to measure out. So now we have marked out the template in place. We're going to use this as we're going to cut just inside. So once we have the masking tape down, the best thing about the Sharpie is you're able to wipe it off after we finish, but it'll be pretty permanent while we're drilling and sanding back. Remove the masking tape with a sharp. I'm going to start by drilling some small holes so we can get the bulk of this material out. And again, best to keep inside. You can always take material off, but you can't add it back. So using a sharp craft knife, once the pilot holes are drilled, then we're going to score lightly a couple of times. Once that's done, we're going to flip the blade over and then cutting away from the hole and start to remove this material. Remove this fender just so we can get in there, because in a minute with the Dremel it's going to be a problem. Now we should be able to. I'm going to get the Dremel out and start removing that material. So always test fit, because you can see a little bit more to go, but not too much. Okay, there we go. All we need to do now is a file. So now that the hole is cut out, we could fit the stock version here or the optional louvered version. So next is to apply the shoe goo. This is just to tack it in place, because then we'll put a bead from the underside to hold it afterwards. So here we have the final hood vent installed. I hope you'll agree it's a little bit more scale looking than the stock sticker. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share below.